Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, reigning world 400-meter champion Antonio Watson says having his 2024 season curtailed by injury setbacks has made him a better athlete coming into 2025. The 23-year-old returned to competitive action for the first time since last year when he competed at the Camperdown Classic at the weekend.
2024 was a difficult season for Antonio Watson, with the reigning world 400-meter champion impacted by injuries, including having to end his season early after sustaining a hamstring injury at the National Senior Trials. The 23-year-old returned to action last Saturday at the Camperdown Classic, where he clocked 46.03 seconds to win his 400-meter heat. He finished second overall behind winner Zandrian Barnes, who clocked a very good 44.97.
Feeling good. Felt that I executed exactly what coach wanted me to. So I'm pleased with myself until he say otherwise.
The Jamaicans coming.
Watson, who had clocked a personal best of 44.13 to win gold at the 2023 World Championships in Budapest, could only manage a best of 45.61 in 2024. But he says he is fully recovered from the injuries which hampered his progress last year.
First of all, at the Racers Grand Prix, I strained my hamstring, and at the National Championship, it was my right calf. But there was a recurring injuries, which is fully healed, and I'm ready to go this time around.
Interestingly, Watson says he has learned from the injury layoff to come back an even better athlete.
Well, I feel like it made me a stronger person, because the confidence that I had last year, it is double out on it this time around, and I feel like I'm more focused than any other time before. So I felt like that was a good thing, but as we knew that it's a bad thing as it regards to injuries. But I'm fully fit and ready to go.
And as for defending his title at the World Championships in Japan later this year, much like his running style, Watson will be biding his time.
I'm just trying to get myself ready for whenever the battle comes my way. I'm ready and I'm prepared to conquer him. So at this point, I'm just focusing on getting better than before.
Regarding his next race, Watson says while not confirmed, he's not ruling out competing at the Michael Johnson-led Grand Slam track meet in April in Kingston. Jermaine Brown reporting for Radio Jamaica Sports.